Welcome to Infomedia. First subscribe this channel for more videos. In this video I am introducing about B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is known as the father architect of Indian Constitution. He was born on 14th April 1891 at Mo in Madhya Pradesh. His name was Bhimarao Ambedkar. He is also known as Modern Manu, Modern Buddha, Baba Saheb, Indian Jefferson. Remember please this information. He is also known as Modern Manu, Modern Buddha, Baba Saheb, Indian Jefferson. He was the Labour member in the Viceroy's Executive Council. Independent Labour Party was founded by Ambedkar in 1936. All India Scheduled Caste Federation founded by him in 1942. People's Education Society was founded by him in 1945. Main works of B.R. Ambedkar: The Untouchables, The Buddha or Karl Marx, Buddha and His Dharma, Who Were Shudras. These are the main works of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Mahar movement was founded by Ambedkar. He demanded separate constituency for scheduled caste before the Simon Commission in 1928. He participated all the three round table conferences. He was the first law minister of India. He was the chairman of the drafting committee in the Constituent Assembly. He presented the Hindu Code Bill in the Parliament. Ambedkar changed his religion to Buddhism in 1956. Ambedkar died on 6th December 1956. Rest in place Chaitra Bhumi. He called Article 32 as the soul and the heart of the Indian Constitution. Remember this once again. He called Article 32 as the soul and the heart of the Indian Constitution. He got Bharat Ratna in 1990 posthumously. First written law in the world, Hammurabi's Code. First lawgiver in the world, Manu, Hammurabi, who is called as Modern Manu. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth is related to Hammurabi's Code. First written law in the world is Hammurabi's Code. First lawgiver in the world, Hammurabi, who is called the Modern Manu, B.R. Ambedkar. Eye for an eye, tooth for tooth. These words related to Hammurabi's Code.